Question 4. Functions f and g are defined by this and this, where h and k are constants. Given g2 is 5, gf1 is -1. Okay. So let's write this. Fx is 2 over x minus 3 and gx is hx square plus k. Right. So they gave us that g2 is 5. Okay. So if we know gx is hx square plus k, g2 will be h2 square plus k. So this will give us 4h plus k. 2 square is 4. 4h plus k equals to 5. Okay, this is our first equation. And then gf1 is -1. So let's find what is gfx first. We know gx is hx square plus k. Gy will be hy square plus k. Therefore, gfx will be hfx square plus k. Okay, then we sub the fx. 2 over x minus 3. Then we square it. 2 square is 4. X minus 3 square, we just leave it like this, plus k. Okay, then they said gf1 is -1. So if gfx is h for x minus 3, gf1 will be 1 minus 3. So we can say gf1 is 4 over 1 minus 3 square plus k. And gf1 is -1. Okay, they gave us here already. So let's simplify this. 1 minus 3 square. You can put the whole thing into your calculator lah. 1 minus 3 square. You get 1. Okay, so it's just h times 1. Therefore, no need to write anything lah. 1h plus k. Right, this is our second equation. This was our first equation. This is our second equation. Okay, so let's solve this simultaneously to find value of h and k. Right, let's bring this here. The rest we can delete first. Alright. Lama. Okay. So we have, let me erase this off. So we have k and k. So equation 1 you can minus equation 2 to get rid of the k. 5 minus -1 is 6. 4h minus h is 3h. And k will cancel off lah. So if 3h is 6, therefore h is 6 divided by 3. So h is 2. Once we get this ready, we can find the value of k. So you can put in the value of h into any of these equations. Let's take the first one. 4h plus k. So 8 plus k. So making k the subject. Okay, let's bring the 8 over here lah. So 5 minus 8 equals to k. Therefore k equals to -3. Okay, 5 minus 8 is -3. K is -3. Done. So we can go ahead and write this gx equals to 2x square minus 3. Okay. Next question. So we can update our gfx here. Gfx will be 2x square minus 3. Okay. Then let's look at question B. Find the expression of gf. Right. So you want to find gfx. Gx is 2x square minus 3. Gy is 2y square minus 3. Therefore, gfx will be 2fx square minus 3. So 2 over x minus 3 square minus 3. So 2 square is 4. X minus 3 square, we just leave it, minus 3. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 over x minus 3 square minus 3. Okay, so here we have to make the denominator same. So what we do is, this is 3 over 1. So we multiply with x minus 3 square, x minus 3 square. Okay, so we're going to get 8 over x minus 3 square minus 3 times x minus 3 square over x minus 3 square. So here we can go ahead and expand this. Our denominator will be x minus 3 square. On top will be 8 minus 3 times. Okay, this one we have to square on top. So the shortcut is x square. The first term will be x square. And then 2 times x times negative 3. 2 times x is 2x. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. And then negative 3 we square, we'll get 9. Okay, that is the shortcut to expanding squares. First you square the first term, and then you take 2 times the first term times the second term, and then you square the last term. Okay, right, so if we expand this, we will get 8 minus 3x square plus 6x minus 27 over x minus 3 square. So let's rewrite this, plus 6x, 8 minus 27, you can just do it in your calculator, minus 19 divided by x minus 3 square. Okay, but we don't stop there, because we have to write the condition, because there is x in our denominator, so we must make sure the denominator cannot be 0. Okay, so let's do a small calculation. X minus 3 square cannot be 0. Therefore, the square we move over there becomes square root. So x minus 3 cannot be 0, because square root 0 is just 0. So therefore, x cannot be positive 3. So that's our condition. X cannot be 3. This one you no need to show in your exam lah. Okay, you do somewhere on a rough paper. Okay, because when you put x as 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 square is 0. Denominator cannot be 0. Okay, so you must state this condition. You see, here also they stated the condition where x cannot be 3. Because when x is 3, 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So denominator cannot be 0 lah. So this is just the condition. Right. That's it.